Today we're going to install an Android radio on the second generation Toyota Tundra. Alright, just made a video of how to remove the old stereo deck. This was an aftermarket, but we're just going to upgrade it to an Android radio. Alright, first thing we're doing is removing these clips from here. You might need a trim tool removal to apply one on the bottom and one on the top. And just like that, just like that, they come out. Alright, and then we'll just install them onto the new radio, just like so. The white one went in the middle, just like so, and the last one. Alright, so this is everything they provided. They provided with output and inputs, videos and audios. They provided a camera input cable, no camera, GPS, USB, probably for a satellite adapter, and then two power connections. Here is this one here, and then this one here. So there's two different types of plugs that you could use. It looks like they're a little different than the other ones, so we'll see which one fits. Alright, so the previous owner already had power coming to here and the signal for the reverse camera. These are just an RCA cable for an amp. I'm not sure if this is the remote wire for that amp. It just hit me. This is probably the reverse camera signal. Okay, so we're going to be using the simple adapter. We don't need this fancy one here because there's only 3 pigtails that we're going to connect to. Alright, and these simply just clip into place. There's no way to confuse them. They only go into one pigtail. Might need both hands. Alright, and there it is. We'll connect it to the 3 connectors there. This brown wire will be our backup signal, so I'll just connect it straight to this blue one previous owner already had. Alright, I have all the wiring done. I'm going to hook up the GPS. I also put in the power here that this previous owner had. Hooked up that remote wire to the back. We'll put in all the outputs and inputs into place and clip it down. Next, we'll put in the reverse camera signal. That will go on this last one here. Then we have 2 USBs, and they will go here and there. Alright, just like so. Then we'll hook up the antenna and the power. Once we bring them in, we'll mount this GPS somewhere right up here, closest to the dash up there. We'll run the USBs through here, and we'll connect this one to the reverse camera here. Alright, we'll plug in our power and our antenna, and the antenna goes right there, right next to the GPS. Alright, and there it is, and we'll fire it up. See what happens. Ooh, pretty. Alright, and there's the radio, and it's working good. And I'm gonna see if the reverse camera works. Oh, this is in my way. Alright, let's try it again. Sweet. We just got to balance that camera in the rear now. Have the USB ran here. Close this up. USB are still there. Sweet. We'll put everything back together. This will go right in there. This will go right underneath it. One thing I did notice, this radio does not come with the proper stuff to tie this down. Alright, and there it is. The trick is to put this one in first and then clip it onto this one here. And there we have it. Finish and put this one back here. Alright, and there it is. Oh man, that looks pretty freaking nice, if you ask me. Wow, sweet. And that is how we install this Android radio on this 2008 Toyota Tundra. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.